Welcome to CodeSphere, the hub for all tech and IT enthusiasts. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest news, insights, and updates from the world of technology. Whether you're an experienced programmer or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. We cover a wide range of topics, including popular programming languages like Java, Python, and JavaScript, as well as emerging technologies like blockchain and artificial intelligence. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and it can be difficult to keep up with all the latest developments. That's where CodeSphere comes in. We're committed to bringing you the most up-to-date information on everything from programming languages to new hardware releases. But we're not just about learning. We also provide opportunities for our viewers to engage with us and with each other. From live coding sessions to Q&A sessions with tech experts, we're dedicated to creating a community where everyone can share their knowledge and learn from each other. CodeSphere has been an incredible resource for me as I've pursued my career in tech. The tutorials and guides they provide are clear, concise, and easy to follow, and I've learned so much about programming and IT from watching their videos. Our community is made up of programmers, developers, designers, and IT professionals who are dedicated to learning, sharing, and collaborating on projects that push the boundaries of what's possible. CodeSphere isn't just about learning or collaboration. It's about empowering people to use technology to create solutions to real-world problems. I've been blown away by the projects that have come out of this community, and I'm excited to see what's next. From building websites and mobile apps to developing software and hardware prototypes, our community members are using their skills and knowledge to make a positive impact on the world. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to CodeSphere today and be a part of the next generation of tech leaders who are changing the world, one line of code at a time.